Hi, I'm Jeff Lowton, one of the tile experts with All Points Tile Slate. At our boneyard, we have a wide selection of discontinued tiles that we resource from all around the world. We also have new tile in stock. Our goal is to help you with your roof tile needs, whether it's a full roof replacement or a few tiles for a small repair. Let's dive into tile identification. Identifying your roof tile is like solving a puzzle. There's a lot of different styles, colors, and manufacturers. Let's go over basics of roof tile and some of their uses. The first style that we'll talk about is S tile, or sometimes it's referred to as Spanish S. It looks like an S, or it could look like a 5. W tile, which is also called low profile, basically looks like a W, or maybe you'd say it looks like an M. Barrel tile is a curved tile that resembles a C. Flat tile, as the name implied, is flat, giving your home a classic and refined look. No matter what type of tile you have, they're all made to channel the water off your roof. Next is trim tile. Trim tile is the armor that covers the edges and peaks of your roof. There's 3 different styles. One is a 3-sided, the second one is a V, the third one is a barrel. Ridge tile runs along the top or the peak of your roof. Hip tile runs down from your ridge tile to your eave. Eave riser and eave closure are the first tiles on your roof, also called birdstock. Rake tile are for finishing off the gable end of your roof. There are many other specialty tiles on a roof, but these are the most common tiles. If you need help identifying your tile, you can visit our website or send photos to our email, ops@allpointstile.com. We'll help guide you through the process to find the best match for your roof.